you guys are ready for this one. Because what we got going on here today, folks, is a doozy. So here we go. Let's get into it, folks. What we got going on today is with the click of, yes, one button, we're starting Logic, Ableton, FL Studio, Bitwig, and another instance of FL Studio inside of Logic. So, if you missed that, hold on to your head. I'm going to say it one more time. Inside of Logic, the main host, we click play. Everything starts happening. From clicking play in Logic, right? Or on my MIDI controller. Inside of Logic as a VSTI, like in my other video, we have an instance of FL Studio, right? Another instance of FL Studio is running in standalone mode, alright? And, wait, let's go back over here real quick, 1 second. I have to have that track selected when I come over here, do this stuff like play my Jupiter like that. Stuff over here gets triggered when I press stop or start on my MIDI keyboard. That's just super dope. And then at the same time, we have Bitwig over here stopping and starting with the click, all with the Logic. Also, Ableton over here. You hear it, folks. You hear the feedback loop. You hear the bell sounds. It's real. Oh, too much. So I'm going to skip over a lot of that mumbo jumbo right there. I'm basically just showing y'all what's up. How I'm doing it, the wizardry of how I'm getting FL Studio, the two FL Studios to work with Logic is in a whole nother video, so I'm not going to cover that. Check out the old video. But everything else is going on is as simple as this. Ableton Live is working as a rewired device within Logic, as a standard rewired device, right? You could check out videos like that on my channel, other people's stuff. As far as Bitwig, Bitwig has the most wizardry going on in my setup, I think, because I took a physical out on a MIDI device. I'll put a picture up on the screen. My 4x4 MIDI device. I physically took a MIDI cable from my A out and took it right into my A in, like in a loop, literally with the physical cable on my hardware to do that. And so on the Logic side, because Logic is clocking everything, and I put a sync button here. You can do that by right clicking and adding what you want up there. But over here you can see transmitting MIDI clock out also to my MIDI Sport 4x4A channel to make it do that loop, because Bitwig is listening in on that channel over here. We just dive into Bitwig settings real quick. You can see the MIDI clip, the transport in sync, the MIDI clock is listening on that same channel A, and that's how Logic is syncing and timing up Bitwig. And the other one over there, the IAC channel, is going to the outboard standalone FL Studio. So that's how we got it. We got two FL Studios, Bitwig, Ableton, and Yeah, that's in Logic. That's fucking amazing. Logic being the host. Two instances of FL Studio, one with the IAC with standalone mode, Ableton through Rewire, and Bitwig through a physical hardware MIDI device wiring MIDI out to MIDI in. Yeah, that's the crazy setup, man. And so like, I don't know why to do it. Would you want to do this? I don't know. I love it because it's like you can play around with the swings of the different apps, and it's just like you got different options, and you know you come up with strange things that you probably wouldn't have come up with if you're just working with one program. And that's just how I feel. But how do you feel? I think it's dope to have this much control and power. I'm gonna flip with it and rock out. Peace, love, positive vibes. This is a Wrigley beat, I tell you. Shiglix on top, piggling on the bottom. Yeah, it did. No, it didn't. I think it did.
Just zap me.
I'm not gonna zap you.
Just zap me, goddammit!